Good evening, everyone. It's Monday, and today's devotional verse is from Psalm 118, verse 24, which says, "This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it." Yesterday might not be a good one. It might have frustrated us. We might have read posts in Facebook that devastated us. Someone might have hurt us or said bad words to us. Many things might not have gone right yesterday. But today is a God-made day. This is a new day. New hope, new things to look forward to. And I believe that if you know that God is the author of this day, then this day is a better day. And there is a reason for us to stand up, move forward, and claim the blessings of the Lord. This is Pastora Liza saying, thank you for listening. Have a great week ahead and God bless you.